How to use FlexJobs. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use FlexJobs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use FlexJobs, well, FlexJobs is actually a premium service that will allow you to start searching for jobs and applying for jobs or on whatever else it is you prefer. Now, unfortunately, it is premium, so there's no getting around that. So go to flexjobs.com, and if you haven't created an account or logged into your account, you can go ahead and then log into your account and so on over here. Then you can also simply search for certain jobs by tapping on the search for jobs option here. Then from here, you'll be able to kickstart your remote job search and then apply for jobs. If you tap the gear icon here, you'll be able to see a couple of other settings such as your membership details and so on. Here, if you have got your billing addresses and so on, you can also cancel your membership if you happen to have them, and depending on what you want to do. But the main purpose here is to search for jobs and apply for jobs, and you can always search for jobs by using the search bar at the very top. This way you'll be able to use FlexJobs. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.